Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove an Audi Q5 headrest. First, recline the seat back significantly to give yourself ample room to work. This makes reaching the release mechanisms much easier. Next, carefully inspect the base of each headrest post where it enters the seat. You'll find small, often recessed, release buttons or levers that need to be pressed simultaneously. Make sure the area behind the seat is clear before proceeding. Once you've located the release buttons, the key is to press them both down firmly and at the same time. This action disengages the locking mechanism on both posts. While keeping the buttons depressed, gently but steadily pull the headrest straight up and out of its guides. It should slide freely once the locks are fully disengaged. Avoid forcing it, as this could damage the seat or headrest. With the release buttons held, continue to pull the headrest upwards until it completely detaches from the seat. Once removed, place it in a secure location where it won't be damaged or lost. When you're ready to reinstall, simply align the two posts with their respective holes in the seat. Push the headrest down firmly until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's locked back into place. After reinstallation, always perform a quick check to ensure the headrest is securely locked. Give it a gentle tug upwards. It should not move freely. Then, adjust it to the proper height for safety and comfort, typically with the top of the headrest even with the top of your head. For more great tips and product recommendations, including that awesome sock deal, check the description below for links and other deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.